Good morning. It is May 1st. This is a Tuesday, first day of the month. Coming in this morning and looking at the markets. A little bit of a mixed bag today. We do have agricultural markets mixed with cotton and corn up, soybeans and wheat down. Pretty good movement up in the cotton market, and most of it's happened in the last 30 minutes. Don't know that there's a particular reason for that. The rest of the markets are just not tied to any particular thing. We've got energy markets down, the dollar up, precious metals down. We are looking at strength in the global stock markets. That sets somewhat of a positive tone for all commodities. Asia's up, especially the Hang Seng Index. Very big move up there. Europe is up. Surprisingly, we've got the stock market in the U.S. down a small amount. Not a lot going there. As far as news goes, Trump has delayed the imposition of steel and aluminum tariffs on the EU, Mexico, Canada until June 1st. Also says they have agreements working with Brazil, Argentina, and Australia. So that is part of the reason for stock strength. As far as grains go, weather across the central United States is largely favorable. And that should put somewhat of a limit off grain movement to the upside, at least for now. Cotton in West Texas on Sunday night, there were some rains. They were very scattered. They got good rains in certain areas, but most of the cotton-producing area in West Texas did not get that much rain. The market in cotton was down yesterday. I think that was probably part of it. Is just some concern about the weather caused a little bit of profit taking, but not substantial, especially when you look at what the market's doing today. But as far as one analyst talked about the dollar being up was the reason cotton was down, and I think we all know that's pretty silly. But that's just people have to come up with the reasons. So let's take a look at where we are right now. July cotton up 40 at 84.24. A high of 84.31, a low of 83.61. July soybeans down 2.5 at 10.46, a high of 10.50.5. In July soybeans, a low of 10.41. July corn up a penny and a quarter, 402.25, a high of a low of 3.99 3/4. Wheat down 2 at 508.5, a high of 514.5, a low of 506. Crude oil is down 65 cents a barrel in June crude at 67.92 a barrel. The dollar is up 45. Gold down $11 an ounce. Silver down 11 cents an ounce. We've got the S&P futures index right now is down 1.6. A couple of things here. Let's look first at the crop progress that came out yesterday afternoon. Cotton is 12% planted. The average for this time of the year is 14. So pretty close to average. Soybeans are 5% planted. The average for this time of the year is 5%. Corn is still dragging some. 17% planted in corn. The average for this time of the year is 27%. Spring wheat, 10% planted. Still really dragging here. The average normally for this time of the year is 36% planted. Winter wheat is 19% headed. The normal for this time of the year is 30%, so it's slower there. And the winter wheat is classified as 33% good to excellent. Previous week was 31%. Looking at the calendar for the day, first day of May, we have construction spending today at 9 o'clock Central Time. Manufacturers Index, 9 o'clock. Looking down the page here, API energy stocks at 3:30. And the FOMC meeting starts today. It will be today and then tomorrow. And then tomorrow around 1 o'clock, they'll have an announcement of whatever they plan to do as far as interest rates go. That's it. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.